It?
Make me nice.
Fine. Now, what do you see in the thought of the day? What do you make out? A father's goodness is higher than the mountain, a mother's goodness deeper than the sea. What does that mean? What does that mean, beta? A father's goodness, that whatever things he's doing for you, that's why he's good, so that's why it's his goodness. Whatever things he's doing for you is even respectable, is even more than the mountain. Now, mountain, you know how high it is. You cannot even think of surpassing it. So, father's act, goodness is an act. You cannot surpass it. Whereas mother's goodness, you cannot fathom it, you cannot measure it. It's so deep. Have you understood? So, being a child, being children, you cannot challenge your parents. Have I made myself very clear, beta?
Yes.
So, you have to listen to your parents, in short, and you have to learn from them. Next is that you have to learn from them. So, whatever they say, they have got more experience than you, right, beta? Is it right, boys?
Yes.
So, if at all sometime you don't feel good about it, if your mama scolds you, if your papa is harsh on you, or he beats you, or he is like very angry at you, don't make him, don't allow him to be angry. So it all depends upon you, beta. However, your parents are reacting towards you, it's all due to you. It all depends upon your behavior. If you don't want your parents to be angry at you, don't behave like that. That will make them angry. As simple as that. So, what? Everything depends on you. Boys, did you understand what I said? Everything depends on you. If you don't
Yes.
want your mama, if you don't want your papa scold you, don't create a issue. Don't do certain things that will make them scold you, because parents do not like to scold their children. You know that. We hate to scold our children. We hate to be angry on our children. But you people make us do that. You understand what I'm trying to say? Even I'm a parent, isn't it, beta? We don't like, we love our children. So don't make a condition in such a manner that someone has to be angry on their children. So it's totally on to you how you want your parents to behave towards you. Understood, all of you, beta? Good. So have a beautiful day. Understand your parents. Okay, beta? Understand your parents nicely. Is it clear? Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes.
So let's continue with our chapter. Plastic as materials of choice. Please start. Start, beta. Start reading.
Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in cars, artifacts,
Aircrafts.
aircraft, and spacecraft too. The list is endless. If we start counting articles like slippers, furniture, and decoration pieces, etc.
Okay. Now the best part about plastic is that they are very light, isn't it? You can hold plastic anyhow, anytime, as compared to metals. Plastics are very light, so they're used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecrafts as well. And if you see around yourself, whatever list you want to put, it will seem to, like be on. It will not stop. There are so many things made up of plastics that the list will be endless. What do you say? You agree?
Yes.
Yes. And because it is lightweight, it looks beautiful. Even the decorative articles are made up of plastics. So you name anything, it is made up of plastics. So we can't help it because that's the choice of us. We can maintain it, it looks beautiful, it is cheap, you can handle it, you can maintain it. So everybody is going for plastics. You understand? Yes, beta?
But it is harmful too.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know it is harmful. We know that. That is what we are going to read later. That is what we are going to study. If it is harmful, okay. Now you also know it is harmful. Have you stopped using plastics, beta?
Yes.
But just a moment. You are saying it is harmful. At
Yes.
your place, at your home, how many things are made up of plastics, beta? Are you
I
not
am
using
not
it?
buying.
I'm not asking that question. Listen to me properly what a question I'm asking. At home, you
Many
have
things.
plastic stuff. At home, you have things made up of plastics or not? Have you thrown it
Yes.
off, everything?
Yes.
Have you thrown all the plastic stuff out of your house?
No.
Then that is why you see what is written in the first. Plastics as materials of choice, beta.
It is
Understand,
useful
beta.
and harmful also.
Understand, and no, understand why we are using it.
Yes.
And you also know that whatever, see, everything is bad and everything is good. I told you everything. Anything in excess is bad. For example, food. You love gulab jamun. For example, I say you love gulab jamun. Okay? Hello. You are having two or four
Yes.
gulab jamuns. Fine. It is enough. If I ask you to have 10 or 20 gulab jamuns, the same good stuff will become harmful to you. Am I right?
Yes.
You will start vomiting because you cannot digest it. The same thing. If you use anything in excess, even a good thing in excess, it becomes harmful. That is what I'm trying to teach you. We know that it is harmful, but there's so many things which is harmful, but we are still doing it. Aren't we creating air pollution? Aren't we creating water pollution, soil pollution, land pollution? Aren't we doing that better? Knowingly we are doing that. Has it stopped? Has it stopped better? No, because we cannot stop our factories, we cannot stop our industries, we cannot stop burning things around, which is leading to air pollution every day. We are cutting forest. Have you?
Yes.
Can we stop? Just a moment. Can we stop? Every minute
Yes.
we are cutting a forest of a football field size. You know that? Do you know that? One
Yes.
football field, that much of trees are being cut of that size. Just imagine every minute. Can you imagine? It's not, uh, like we have to be very serious about it for everything. If you say it is harmful, let's say no to it. That is what I'm asking you. Say no to plastics. Don't get any substances which is made up of plastic at home. Will you do that? Boys, then will you do that? Tell me, can you do that?
Yes.
Do it. Very good. Very good. Instead of that, we will be using steel mugs. Yes, we will use steel
But it's too
buckets.
heavy.
Yes, better. The
It's too
stools of
heavy.
plastics. I
Heavy
know
here.
that is what I said. No, plastics as materials of choice. That is what I'm trying to tell you. It's not you and me. It's the choice of all the people around the world. That is what I've taught you just now. See, As compared to metals, plastics are lighter. And that's why we are using it. Understand what I'm trying to convey? Got my point now? It is a matter of choice. Because of these characters, plastics have got advantage over other substances, that is metals, and hence people are using it. Yesterday only I told you, instead of paper bags, why are we using plastic bags? I told you many things. Paper bags are heavier than plastic bags. Paper bags needs maintenance. It will tear off, and you cannot carry heavy things in the paper bags. It will tear off. It will give away. Whereas plastic bags
Nowadays,
can
man,
hold.
there are biodegradable plastics.
Yes, beta.
Nowadays, there are biodegradable plastics also.
Yeah, nowadays, but it's expensive. It takes a lot of time to be prepared, beta. And I wonder whether it will come into market so soon. It will take some time. You understand, beta? Whatever has been created so far, you can say in 30, 40 years, will take. We have already polluted the land. We've already polluted it with this non-biodegradable stuff that is plastics. Okay, let's read better.
Metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air, but plastics do not react with water and air. They are not
Corroded.
corroded easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including many chemicals.
Thank you. Well said. Well read, beta. Who is reading? Who was reading it? Hmm? Who was reading, beta?
Ali Reza. Oh, sorry.
Ali Raza. You read it nicely, beta. Good. Keep it up. But keep practicing. Okay, beta, Ali Raza? Now, metals, for example, iron. You know what is rusting? Seventh, I taught you a bit about rusting. That is called corrosion. Any iron metal, when it is exposed in air, after some time you get an orange color, a reddish orange color on the surface of the iron. Have you observed that? After
Rust.
some time. Yeah, that is called rust. Now, what exactly it is? It is called oxidation process. What is this process called as, beta? Say with
Oxidation
me,
process.
oxidation process. And the whole phenomena is known as,
Oxidation.
yes, the whole phenomena is known as corrosion. What it is called as?
Corrosion.
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 So rusting of iron is called corrosion phenomena. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Whereas plastics do not corrode. Plastics do not corrode. So there is no harm being done by the moisture which is present in air to the plastics. So nothing happens to plastics. That's the reason that even we can store, what we can store better? What we can store? Can you
Chemical.
see or not? Chemicals in the plastic bottles. Have you observed that? In plastic bottles we can store chemicals? Yes, better. Nothing happens to the plastic bottle. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, read better.
Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, and
Durable.
can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They
Dan.
are widely used
No,
in
Alireza, it is
yes,
Dan. It's not then. This one is Dan. How will
then
you pronounce? Dan. It is not then. You pronounce it like this. Got it?
then metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Now we know that plastic is very light, but they are strong, they are everlasting, and you can shape it. You can make it into different shapes and sizes. So we use it for so many different types of material. Also, the plus point is that they are affordable. That means, as compared to metals, they are cheap, so everybody can buy it. Right, beta? And hence it can
Yes.
is it yes, and hence it is used in industries and as well as domestic articles. Now, what is household articles? What your mama buys for houses, and or like for example mugs or like spoons. There's so many articles which is made up of buckets. All these things she buys for the house. So these household articles are also made up of plastics. Any problem? Any problem, beta? Hello?
No.
No,
Plastic are poor
ma'am.
Have you
conductors
understood,
of
beta?
heat.
Okay. Now read. Who wants to read?
Plastic are poor
No, ma'am,
conductors
no
of
problem.
Okay.
electricity.
Who is reading now?
Conductors and of Aliasnan. By
Okay.
electrical wires
Start, beta.
and handles of screwdrivers and made of plastic. As mentioned above, handles of frying pans are also made of plastic.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Now we know that plastics are insulators. That means they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That means heat and electricity do not pass through plastic. Am I right?
Yes,
Heat and electricity do not pass through plastics, so they are insulators or poor conductors of heat and electricity. So generally you can see that electrical wires, they have got a plastic covering. Have you observed that they have a plastic covering? All the wires are. Yes,
yes,
beta. Even the screwdriver's handle. Have you observed when your papa
yes.
is working with the screwdrivers,
It is
when he's working with the
plastic.
switches, when he's no, you cannot. You're not supposed to touch the screwdriver with the help of metallic portion. No, you will get current. You will be shocked. You'll be electrocuted. So what you should do, always whenever you're working with the electrical appliances, you have to hold the screwdriver with the help of the handle, which is actually the plastic covering on the metal. You understand? So the handles of the screwdrivers are actually made of plastics, and you should hold it by that. If you by chance, by accident, if you hold the metal, you will be electrocuted. You understand? Now, we have also observed in the kitchen, mama using frying pans, the handles are made up of plastics. Yes, beta? They're not made up of metals. It is made up of plastics. Am I right, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Why? The same reason. The same reason that she can hold the frying pan or the metallic pan with the help of handles. So she will not get burnt, isn't it? If it is with the metal, by chance we get burnt if we try to hold the metallic pan. Is it understandable? So it's easier to hold it with the handle. Yes, read better. Start reading.
A material which gets decomposed through natural process, such as action by
Processes.
bacteria, is called biodegradable. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is termed as non-biodegradable. Gradable.
It's okay, no problem.
And we can also eat biodegradable plastics.
We can eat. Yes, we can. We can better. But
Yes.
generally, let's not do that because it's chemical. You know that, right? Whatever substances we are making in the
Yes.
research laboratory, it's all chemical. Better,
It
we
is
have
made
got
up of
lots of,
chemicals.
yeah, obviously, you should know that. That chemical is not harmful to us because you are making it bitter. You cannot make it just like that. Chemicals have to be used. What do you say?
Yes.
That is what I'm saying. So we have got so many things to eat. Why we will eat that degradable plastics, eatable plastics? What's the point? Now that kurkure you are having, the, issue was, like created that it has got plastics. Remember, kurkure I'm talking
Yes,
about. It has
yes, yes.
plastics. It has plastic. If you burn it, you can get that crackling sound, and you can see those threads of plastics coming out of it. You can have a try at home. If you burn it, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see that. Okay.
I have tried many times.
Yes. So you know
I
that. Then
don't eat kurkure.
that's good. That's very nice. That's
क्योंकि
nice
उसके
of you.
लड़के के पास दुकान ही नहीं है.
Okay, beta. It's okay. Now let's
Hey
sort out two
Sahil,
materials. What happened, beta? Let's not talk anything personal because it's being recorded, beta. We will talk about it later. Okay? If at all you have any issues,
Okay.
we'll clear it out later. Okay, beta? Thank
okay,
you.
ma'am.
So now we have got two sets of material. One which is biodegradable and other which cannot be biodegradable. Now the word biodegradable. What is the meaning of the word
Biodegradable
biodegradable?
can easily
Just
decompose.
a Yeah, just a moment. There are two words. One is bio and the other one is degradable. Degradable means the substance is decomposed. Right, beta? It is broken down into simpler
Yes.
forms. That is degradable.
It can
Bio. Now, what
also
is the
be
meaning of bio?
decomposed with water.
Bio. Can I continue? When I stop, beta, then only you will say. Sahil? Sahil? Can you
Okay.
hear me? When a person, it could be a friend, you will not talk when a person is talking. That is what you have to understand and learn. Whenever you want to say anything, you can say, ma'am, can I? Then I will stop. I will allow you to talk. Do you understand better? This is a way of behavior. This is
Okay.
manners, good manners better. When a person is talking, you will also not talk. Don't do that. Otherwise, people will not give value to you better. People will not listen to you. Sahil, do you understand what I'm saying? First, you be a good listener, then only people will listen to you. You understand, Sahil? Hello? Sahil, have you heard me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's a made of two words. One is bio and second one is degradable. Now what is the meaning of degradable, beta? Degradable is breaking down into simpler substances and then it mixes with the soil. Agree? Do you agree?
Yes.
Now
Ma'am.
what is making them degrade? Bio. What is the meaning of bio? Microorganisms. What are the microorganisms, beta? Bacteria, fungi. Are you understanding? So these microorganisms are working on those substances and they are breaking down into simpler substance or they help in decomposition. That is biodegradable. Now let's come to the other one, non-biodegradable. That means the bacteria and fungi cannot work on plastics. They cannot decompose plastic so that it will mix with the soil. No, it takes millions of years, maybe, or it may not be decomposed. Now, it is a pollution. It is going to be a very harmful threat to the environment or rather to the universe because it cannot be decomposed. And you know that the production of plastic is not stopping, it is on. So, how much is being gathered in the universe? The amount of plastics, can you imagine? Can you imagine, beta? Can you hear me or not?
Yes.
Now, here I'm going to read out the types of waste, how much time to decompose, and what it is, the nature of the material. First, the peels. You know what are peels? The skin. What is the meaning of peels, beta? Beta, what is the meaning of peels? The skin.
Skin.
Skin of vegetable and fruits. That is called peels. Right, beta?
No,
And the
yes.
leftover food stuff. Acha, how many of you have the habit of leaving the food on the plate, on the dish? How
No,
many
I
of you have
don't
this
have
habit?
alert.
If at all you have this habit, stop doing that.
Yes.
Don't waste food because food is God. That is how we take. So
Yes.
before having food, we pray, isn't it? What we pray? That everybody should get food, isn't it? That is what we pray. That thank you, God, for giving us the food, isn't it? So how can you waste it? How can you insult your God? So if at all the children, if at all you are having the habit of wasting the food on the dish, stop it. Take how much ever you want. Don't take extra. Is it clear? Don't take everything together. Take little by little so that things will not be wasted much. So peels of vegetable and fruits and the leftover food stuff which is not to be used, give it to someone, but don't throw it off. That is what I mean. How much time it takes? 1 to 2 weeks. They are biodegradable. Second is paper. It takes 10 to 30 days to decompose. Again, biodegradable. Cotton cloth, 2 to 5 months, biodegradable. Wood, 10 to 15 years, biodegradable. Woolen clothes, almost a year, biodegradable. Now we come to metals. Tin, aluminum, and other metal cans. Just imagine, just see what is written over here. 100 to 500 years. A metal takes to be decomposed. So it is non-biodegradable. Plastic bags, several years. You can, I mean, you don't have any time limit. It can even take thousands of years. You understand now?
Yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
plastics are non-biodegradable. Now you will see how harmful plastics are to the environment. Yes, better start.
May I read?
Yes, why not, better?
Plastics
Plastics
and the
and
environment.
environment.
No, let
Recycling waste
continue.
plastic. Recycling waste plastic is very important. It may kill many animals as well as polluting earth. Plastics are not biodegradable. Few years ago, scientists have discovered photodegradable plastic that can be broken down by sunlight,
Please put
but
off
it
your
takes
mic.
very long time to rot.
Someone's mic is on, better. Someone's
मैम
mic is
सूफी
on,
अंदर
and
से ही
that
आ
person
रहा है
is. Yes?
सूफी अंदर से ही आ रहा है
Ma'am, disturbance is coming from Sufyan.
Disturbance, there's disturbance. Okay, Sophia, just adjust your mic, better, and continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Few years ago, scientists have discovered photodegradable plastic that can be broken down by sunlight, but it takes very long time to rot. Recently, scientists developed biopolymers, biodegradable polymers. They rot very easily. For example, plastics made from cornstarch dissolves rapidly in water.
Thank you. Now, how are we going to work with this plastics problem? First, you have to recycle whatever plastic waste you have, recycle it. Because if you do not do that, if you allow the waste, plastic waste to be around in the surrounding, it will kill animals because when the animals chew, while chewing, if they take plastic, they may get choked. Their throat will be choked and they cannot breathe and they will die. Also, earth is polluted, land pollution with the help of plastics. We also know that they are not biodegradable. Few years ago, scientists are working on this. They have come across a photodegradable plastics. With the help of sunlight, it can be broken down. But imagine it is working, no doubt about it. But it's going to take a long, long time. Nowadays, scientists have worked on some biopolymers, which are actually biodegradable polymers, that is plastics. So, with the help of bio, that means microorganism can decompose these plastics. So, they will decompose very easily. These plastics are made from cornstarch. You know what is cornstarch? Which you use in soup. Hello? Your mama uses in soup, making soup. The cornstarch. Voice, can you hear me? Hello?
यस
Yes? And so you know that this cornstarch dissolves very fast in water. So these are the things the scientists are working on. Let's hope we get it very soon. Yes, read better.
Since plastic takes several years to decompose, it is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burned easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution.
Sahil, did you find the difference in your reading?
No,
I found. I enjoyed rather. Yes, boys, didn't you see the difference in Sahil's reading just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I
Yes,
liked it. I
yes.
liked it. I liked it better. You have improved. You're stressing on certain words, and it was more understandable. You know that? I don't know what you were doing, but I understood it very nicely. What do you say,
okay,
boys?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So now we know that plastic takes so many years to decompose. So obviously, it is creating environmental pollution. Now, you have seen tires burning. Have you ever seen tires burning?
Yes,
So it takes so much of time to burn. Moreover, it is producing certain liquids when it burns and the black fumes coming out, which has got a pungent smell. So it is creating air pollution as well as land pollution, right, beta?
yes,
Yes, and it does not get burnt completely. Half of the burnt articles remain just as it is, and the fumes which comes out of by the process of the burning is very poisonous. You will start coughing if you come across any tire burning nearby, and if you're passing by, if you by chance if you inhale that fume, you will start coughing, you know
But
that.
can't
So it
stay
is a
there.
poisonous. Yes, beta.
We can't stay
yes,
there.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So you just cannot stay there. You have to move on. But I am just telling, this mixes with the air, and by chance, if you inhale that sort of polluted air, we start coughing. We get choked. We feel breathless. You know that. You understand, beta? Hello. Did you understand today's
Yes.
lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand today's session?
Very
Yes,
well.
ma'am.
Well,
Yes,
very good. Take part like this, so it becomes easy. Now you don't have to learn anything. You know everything. That is what I mean.
yes,
So make it enjoyable. Classwork only you do. You don't have to do any donkey's work anymore. So pay attention, so you don't have to
yes,
revise. That is what I want to do. And enjoy your life. Play. Instead you play. You understand? Just
yes.
pay attention. Just pay attention. That's all we want. Okay, beta. Have a good day then. I also enjoyed you being with me.
Okay, ma'am.
I pray we just continue like
Bye
this,
bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay? Bye, beta. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yeah, same to you, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
nice
Bye,
day.
beta. Bye, beta.
Take care.
Sure, sure. Even you too.